In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download your Replit app as a zip file. If you're working on a project in Replit and need to back it up or transfer it to another platform, downloading it as a zip file is a straightforward way to do so. Let's walk through the process together, step by step, so you can easily achieve this. First, we'll start by heading over to the Replit homepage. You can do this by simply opening your web browser and typing in replit.com. Once you're there, you'll find yourself on the main landing page of your Replit account. This is where all the magic begins. Make sure that you're logged into your account so you can access all your projects. If you're not logged in yet, take a moment to enter your credentials and get settled. Next, from the home page, look for the section labeled Apps. It should be easily visible on your dashboard. Clicking here will lead you to where you can view all the applications or projects you have been working on. The layout should appear familiar if you've spent some time on Replit before, but if not, don't worry. The interface is intuitive and user-friendly. Now that you're in the Apps section, take a minute to review the list of projects you've organized and stored. You'll want to find the specific project you're interested in downloading. In my case, there's just one project I'm showing, but feel free to scroll through and locate the particular application you have in mind. Once you've found this project, click on it. This action will bring you to a new screen where you can see further details regarding your selected project. At this stage, your project is open, and you should be able to see everything related to this application. What you need to do next is find the three dots, often called the Options menu, located typically towards the upper right area of your project interface. Click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu containing several different options. From the drop-down list, look for the option that says Download as Zip. Selecting this option will initiate the process of compressing your application files into a zip file format, making it ready for download right onto your computer. This step might take just a moment depending on the size of your project, but once it's done, your zip file should be available in your designated downloads folder. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully downloaded your Replit app as a zip file. With these files now stored directly on your device, you're free to back them up, share them, or migrate them to another platform as needed. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. Stay tuned for more practical guides and tutorials, and happy coding!